Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I am driving in Arizona and I am leaving Parker from the Parker 400. And as you can see ahead of me, I am behind a truck towing a trailer that's loaded with jet fuel. That's right. That's a 1-ton dually truck towing a trailer full of jet fuel, and he's right behind a semi. Okay, this is one of the, holy crap, look at that. If somebody just like turned on, wow, just like that, look at that, bye. Yeah, see, that could have happened. This guy could have slammed on his brakes, right? And if I wasn't paying attention, if I wasn't at least, holy shit. The guy just swerved like off the road. Oh wow, so I'm staying way behind this guy because it's holy shit. I gotta back off. I feel like I'm too close as it is. So as much as I want to film this guy swerving all around the road, checking his cell phone while he's driving a carload of fucking explosives, yeah, I'm not very comfortable with this, but I'm hanging out behind here, and I just wanted to let you guys know that this is the reason why you don't tailgate people, because you never know what they have. If they didn't have a sign on there that says jet fuel, flammable, I would have never known. And I've seen people tailgating things like that before, and wow, all the guy needs to do is slam on his brake or get off the road like he was there and then swerve back, and holy crap, like, it makes my butthole tingle just thinking about it. Wow. Anyway, this is the Desert Artist. I'm coming back from Kingman. Some interesting geology up there. Maybe I'll be able to show you guys. I also want to kind of do a video about the Arizona roads. Wow, aren't those fun? Wowee. So, yeah. Sometimes it's repaired. Sometimes, mostly it's not. So, there you go. This is a Desert Artist.